Hello everyone, so I'm making this video to show how to jumpstart a 2012 Toyota Prius C. So my car battery died, so I cannot open the car, so I'll use my keys. So I have an older model, so it doesn't have the automatic power switch, so I have the keys. So if I insert the keys over here, nothing happens. So many of these internet videos that I have seen for my 2012 Toyota Prius model, they say that the battery terminal is under the hood. Unfortunately, for my model, it is not under the hood, but it is near the rear passenger seat. So let me just show you where it is. So let me go to the other side of the car. So if I open it, under this rear seat, there is a plastic panel. So if you just take up this panel, there are a couple of clips that I removed before. So if you simply remove over there, so under the seat, it's actually a little difficult to see. I'll try to show. So this is, you can see the plus, the red one, right? That is the plus battery terminal, and the negative one is a little bit deeper. It's kind of difficult to show. If you insert your hand, you can kind of see that. So the jumper kit that I bought from the Amazon is this one. This is Imazing IM27. This is pretty decent. It cost me about, I think, 58 or 59, 52 bucks actually. There are some discounts. Now it comes with a jumper cable, right? With this jumper cable, so and this is kind of these 2 points goes to the battery. So here is the battery. So it also has a nice kind of flashlight and USB ports, etc. On this side, you can see that those blue kind of points go over there. So let me try to put the red one to this side and the blue one, the negative one, to the other side. I mean, it's kind of very difficult to show because it's kind of in a weird place. Okay, so let's see. So okay, this is kind of stuck. This is really weird position. Okay, so this is kind of placed, and then the red one is on the other side. All right, so let's go and see if we can start the car. Okay, so now let me open it, and wow, voila! So it started. Okay, so let me go ahead and disconnect the jumper kit from there. Okay, the first positive one, then the negative one. I'll just assemble it later. But yeah, so it was actually pretty handy kit, I think. It's not that expensive as well, and it has a nice functionality. So there is, as I said, there is a flashlight, USB ports. There is also a I think USB Type-C port, so you can charge a lot of things. But I think the main reason I wanted to make this video was that I'm driving my Toyota Prius like for almost 10 years, and this is the first time I had any trouble with my batteries. Typically, people have batteries like after 6-7 years, but fortunately I did not have any battery problem so far. But then when I had, I tried to look up in the internet. Most of this internet sort of videos shows that it is the battery, positive, negative ones are under the hood. But unfortunately for my model, it is not there under the hood. And then I looked up in my manual, and the manual says it's actually below this rear passenger seat. So there is a plastic panel. You remove the panel, and then you can see those two different positive negative terminal. Anyway, so hopefully this will be useful for some of the owners, PS owners, and okay, if you like this video, just give a like, and that's it.